Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to keep peppermint bark from separating. Allow the candy to come to room temperature before trying to cut or break the bark. This gives the chocolate a chance to settle and come together instead of separating.
Take our lead.
Microwave chocolate chips in large microwavable bowl on high for 1.5 to 2 minutes or until almost melted, stirring after 1 minute. Stir until chocolate is completely melted and mixture is smooth. Stir in peppermint extract.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Once entire pan is completely hardened, remove bark from the pan and peel off the foil. Break into desired size pieces or cut squares. If you choose to cut into squares, allow pan to sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes, then cut using a very sharp knife.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.